Hari Om Tat Sat. Are you feeling stuck in your career? Then this is the right reading for you. I'm smudging it with all beautiful energies right now. So breathe in, breathe out. It's a pile selection that you'll have to do based on your intuition. Now, if your intuition picks on certain charms which are kept here, they are the gods here which are kept as guides for you to just understand which god you resonate with, which energy you are able to resonate with. Based on that, intuitively you pick. Let's say you can't pick intuitively, then you could simply pick it via your date of birth, which is displayed on the screen. Now take some time to breathe in, breathe out. If the time we give isn't enough, you can always pause the video and connect with the energy, slowly decide, and then choose the reading. Now I'll shift all the pile away so that here it is. If this is the powerful Trishula that you selected, Om is written and it feels very powerful already. So what is happening with your career? Let's find out. Why you're feeling stuck? They're having a lot of energies because it was Trishul. So, home-based option. You want this option. It's the safest place. But you need to change your environment. If you are looking for something that should happen in your life, like a great career growth, then it is asking you need to change your environment first of all. If you are not happy with your work, that is, and you're feeling very stuck at the moment. New moon in Aquarius, first quarter moon and full moon in Capricorn. So these are the cards which we've got, moonology cards here. Acknowledge your achievements and uphold your responsibilities in the career. So if you're feeling very stuck, it is simply because you are not feeling deserving of it, right? And your next step is you will take responsibility. You will tell everyone, listen, I did a lot for this project, or I have achieved a lot of things, and you will structure basically a lot of things in your life. Okay? As in, if you were not organized, if you were not disciplined in your life, you are bringing in a lot of discipline in your life so that the stuck situation of the career just moves away. Now, new moon in Aquarius is also telling that explore innovative ideas and embrace your unique perspective. So you are going to do that. Innovation, independence and vision is seen. So you will innovate a lot of things, and that is your next move here. I'm seeing that suddenly there is some transformative energy, like that Trishul gave me energy. I said heavy energies I'm receiving. That simply means you will also receive heavy energies which will help you innovate a lot of things in life. You have a lot of ideas, and this is going to explode. Like the ideas you have will be viral. You're looking for investors, I'm seeing. You're looking for something to build from the scratch, you're looking for money, all of this, that all will come to you. And your idea is brilliant. Nobody has done it. You're very unique with constructive ideas about what you want to do. You have a route map, something like that I'm seeing. But you exactly don't know who will come and invest, what is the plan, all of those things you don't know yet. Plenty plans are already there. So halfway there, I'm seeing half, like you have come halfway, the other half is yet to happen. So something like where you face challenges, make decisions and find the path forward through conflicts. Even though there are a lot of challenges in your life and nobody is trying to help you at the moment, and you might feel lost, stuck and no end to this misery that you are in, the decisions that you will make after this, you are going to overcome obstacles. You're taking action. Like you're not going to sit on the stuck career anymore. You are getting that growth within you. You are getting that pull within you, the drive within you. And something related to the car also, there is a new car or new materialistic thing coming, and that number of the car or number of some materialistic thing that you will buy, right? That is going to change the luck. Steer clear the energy, they say, right? There is some clearance of energy I'm seeing because of the new item that will come home. It can be as small as a candle maybe, but it will clear the negative energies. Recently, when I was doing a reading for somebody, usually they keep their videos on, although I give a voice tarot reading. So when I see the video and I see their aura energy and things behind wherever they sit, I can sense that certain things are not right for them. And I would have told, hey, remove this charm, remove this clock, or remove this piece that you are storing, and like something you like dearly, some statue, some image, idol, that I have asked to remove, and they have seen immediate changes in their life. So that simply means there are certain small things which hold on to our negative energies, and they are just there. Once we clear them, it'll all clear. Similarly, you are getting something here. You don't have to remove anything from your life. You have to get something new in your life, like a crystal, laughing Buddha, some charm, some car, materialistic thing that you buy clears the energy for you, and sudden wealth, sudden growth in your career is seen. Like I'm seeing a lot of richness, piggy bank, gold falling into it, all of these things I'm seeing. So let's see more on what's happening with respect to money, how it's coming to you, the money, in what form it's coming with respect to your career. Love life also. So free from problems and money troubles, enjoy the passion of love and be loved. So your career is stuck. However, your career is stuck only because the lack of activation of Venus energy. And how to activate Venus energy and move your career is also love life. Fixing your love life can have a lot of impact on your career as well, I'm seeing. And that is your next step. Marriage, some next goal with respect to your partner, commitment, starting something together. All of these things are seeming like a promising thing that is going to happen. You are going to get a direction actually, but here the cards are also warning you, saying, do not deviate from your path, attract a mentor if necessary. For the brilliant new unique ideas that you have, seems like you don't have anyone who's guiding you. The half plans which are done and half which are not done, you're seeking investors, etc. Seek an investor who's also going to be a guide and guru, mentor for you, who is going to tell you, okay, this is how you have to do. I'm seeing like a spiritual alchemist, like you'll meet one guru who will blow your mind and tell you exact things like, this is what you're thinking, this is what you have to do, and so and so, so and so. So the moment you get to know the guidance or the divine things that are coming towards you, that's when you decide that, okay, this is where I want to be. I think what this person says makes a lot of sense. So that's going to happen. Investment, there you go. Investments made will have positive results that will bring prosperity. Invest wisely. Exactly. This has been the case from the beginning. The first card which I got around this energy was indicating that you're looking for investors or investment. And that is going to bring in positivity. Like I said, it is not going to hold you back. You just have to make that one, like, oh my, spiritual. Your energies are so much in sync. Shiva is literally like the chakras, the cards are so surreal right now to me. Open your heart to a spiritual career and heal the human heart. You are a light worker. That's why the guidance or mentor, spiritual guide, whatever that person is going to guide you, right? You will feel, oh my God, this is what I've been waiting for my whole life. That's why my career is stuck. A lot of things will make sense to you because, see, the stuck career or having a layoff, then you will never find a job. Like plenty people taking tarot readings just to ask when they will get job again. They got restructured, they had a layoff, 18 months, 3 years, 5 years, no job at all. Sudden stop of growth. That is somewhere hindering their growth is what they think. But there's deeper thing that they can do here. They can go through a spiritual workshop. They can learn about certain things where they can help themselves. Who is the healer external when you are the healer yourself? Like you're the light worker. Reiki, pranic, crystal, lots of healing modalities, Lama Farah healings they call it, sound healing. Lot of healing modalities. Which one is the one for you? Which one do you resonate? And the one you can consistently do, please follow that. You are going to see, it's all in alchemy. I told you, alchemist. Some magic I'm seeing, some alchemy, alchemist I'm seeing. That's the word for you here. Using witchcraft, occult and learning God's secrets transform this situation. So if you are feeling very stuck at the moment, start with small rituals, small manifestation things that you can afford to do. And you are going to see signs. The moment you believe and do anything, you are going to see signs. You're also reducing losses, elimination and completing a new metamorphosis. Times to set higher goals. That's why your career is stuck. Because you will not do good with just 1 lakh per month or 50,000 per month. What will you do with that kind of money? All life you will be waiting and working for someone else. So if you are putting your efforts, and you're like, no, I want to do something, even if in the initial I'll run in losses, but I want to earn, even if it is 10,000, I want to earn putting my effort and for myself. Then you see how much you will start earning. It's like crazy changes are happening in your life. Okay, let's see more. I want to shuffle more of Moonology cards and see if any card. Okay, this is the card I got. Full moon in Aquarius. Connect with like-minded individuals and pursue collective progress, collaboration, progress, and insight. Like I said, there will be some investors. There will be a collaborated effort here. Not everything can be handled by you alone. And it's safe to have partners. Just think twice before you invest or have a partner. Wow, that's amazing. The stuck situation. Why is the stuck situation? It told us. It also told us how you will move forward. What's your next step? All of this we know, and I hope this helps. Now we'll move to the next pile. Okay, this is my favorite. Yeah. So Hanumanji. Let's see. What are his insights for your career? Why career is stuck? Is there anything that you can do, or what is your next move in your career? What's going to happen? Okay. Opportunity. So new job opportunities, if you were waiting, change of workplace or business trip, it is happening. You have to change, you will change, and it's going to happen. Do you see how different the energies are from previous piles? That's the magic of tarot. Each pile will have a different energy, different prediction, and some message just for you, which is amazing. Brilliant. Partnership. So if you were planning on joining with some business partners, it's a win-win. See, it's so different. We didn't see that in the other two, but here we are seeing it. So prioritize your connections. So if you are thinking, okay, I don't need anybody, I don't need any partnerships, I'm cool, then it is coming as a reassurance that, listen, you need people around you. Build connections, make some networking so that later in the future, if you need partnership, it's going to be a win-win for you. There's something big you're starting. That is also what I'm hearing. Okay. And what happens with respect to your career here? What is the decision you're making? Wellness. Okay, ensure your body is nourished. Join a gym and regain strength. Live a healthier life. Love affair, beware. Love affairs at work rarely end well. Okay, so don't lose your mind, it says. Okay, so many things now to analyze and tell you about your career, which is stuck. Now, your career could be stuck because of love affairs at work. You don't want to move away from this person, and just you're hanging in because of the person that you are in love with or you are having the affair with at the workplace. Now, limitations is fear and doubt to limit freedom of action. So, your next move should simply be letting go of these worries that are running in your mind and focusing on your wellness. That should totally be your next move, which I think is because you're recently trying to browse about how to make your life healthier, etc. You have everything in place, but certain things were not working out for you. It's not like a major decision. I'm also seeing like a visa, country change. All of these things are also very doubtful for you. You completely don't know what to do. Some marriage broke or separation happened also because of these things, and now you don't know. Your job is gone. Now you don't know what to do. Such situation. Now finding the right path, the fit with the soul, the ideal job, you're meant to be here. So you were put in a situation like this only because you had to make this decision now. Like previously we saw that, okay, you should not make such decisions. But here it is like you have to make decisions like that. New moon in Gemini, embrace new connections and explore ideas with a curious mind. Communication, curiosity, adaptability is also something what I'm seeing here for you. Okay, so perfect thing for you is going to come like a Rubik's Cube. How you fit in all the cubes properly, you feel very satisfied. Okay, there are different deck cards which might be just the message for you. Oh my. Intimidating, threatened, bothered, you're feeling like this at your workplace. No facts, never has the facts, makes up lies and all of these things. So I think these are the messages meant for you, because this pile did not have anything else for others, but these came up from a different deck, which I assume, one, my mistake of shuffling, but also like a divine message that had to reach you today. So you know, these rumors, gossip, everything is like no facts, but they are doing it. Okay, so you need to be careful at your workplace. I'm seeing your stuck situation is going to be further, like you have to take these next steps of proving yourself, etc. is going to happen. There will be false allegations on you. That is also what I'm seeing. So have an eye for beauty and uncover hidden charms. Seek and you will find. So look for something else, maybe some other job or shifting elsewhere and making the right decision for yourself right now, because there are going to be people who are not going to be happy with your growth here ever. And this decision of being here stuck forever, like you're not taking any move forward, you're not taking any new courses either. I'm not seeing you doing anything, like procrastination is there. You're like, okay, I'm just messed up everywhere, it's getting messed up. So you're like victim. So you are the victim, of course you are, but then you'll have to come out someday from there, right? From there. So there are helping hands which I'm seeing are coming your way. Like there are positive things which are coming your way. You always need to put something off for a bad day. So you have to start creating savings for your future now on. Don't rely on somebody else. You feel like, okay, somebody else has to come and pamper me, someone else has to take me here and there. Okay, why can't people, I mean your loved one or whoever, you're like, why can't they take me on a world tour? Why other people are doing that? You're judging all of them, and you're not working really not fully functional at your career prospect here. So you need to understand that you will shine at your own place, and you should not be expecting anything from other people. You need to save for yourself. If you want to go on the world tour, it's not someone else's responsibility. You have to have that in your mind. So invest wisely, start saving now. Don't rely on other people. Bright ideas. See, you'll have a lot of innovative new inspiration. And test new ideas, break out fast, take action on your ideas. So if you do have something that you want to start of your own also, I see you could, but there are a lot of restrictions before you start. Like you are the one who has to be extremely careful. I'm not getting good vibes at all about people around your workplace. Nothing, no good vibes. Yeah. Let's see here. Wisdom, insight into the nature of physical objects gives you foresight. Use your best judgment. And you have a lot of wisdom inside as well. You can literally tell from black, white, gray, whatever people are playing against you. You very well know this. It doesn't go just beyond your reach or anything. You literally know everyone's plans, etc. You're just hanging in there, checking each one's plan, and you're like, okay, fine, you do whatever you want, I'll do whatever I want. So there's a lot of office politics I'm seeing. So your next move is work through your wisdom, your skills. You know how good you are, right? So believe in yourself there. Wow, let's see some Moonology cards as well here, if there are any insights. Okay, full moon in Cancer. Release old emotions, strengthen your bond with home and family. Emotional release, connection and home. Literally, if you want to connect back with your career, your next move is supposed to be to keep your family life, emotions and everything in check. Like family is a go-to place. If you've not met your mom, dad and all the other relationships because of the work that you are doing, it's high time. The warning is next move should be fixing your family first. Then the career will get fixed, because some changes are happening in your career in a way that you would never imagine. In a big way, there is a change coming. So in order to experience that change, you have to first fix your family. Helping hand, need others to assist with services, increase productivity. No one can handle it all. So you need somebody to vent. You need your family to express. What will you do all alone in this life with all the money that you will make if there is no family to share that good news? So now, if you want to text that sorry, if you want to receive some good things, good vibes, have a chit chat with your mom, dad, your family, spouse, partner, your kids, do spend that time with them, because they are all required for you to reach somewhere. You can't do it all alone. Expression, closed doors, power. So, okay, let's see what this is. You have the power to take control of your life, career and finances. Focus on your needs. Exactly know what you want to do, and you will be able to do that. expression, open up your heart and connect with others. Exactly. What's the point of holding phone all the time? What's the point of being within yourself all the time? The life is going every single day by not expressing, and already in your own thing, even like not just phone, even if it is a book, even if it is anything, any distraction, remove it and be with the person who is next to you. Open up your heart. It says connect with others. You're not connecting, really making connections. You're just there. You're just like, okay, fine, things are happening, fine. That needs to stop right now. Your next move in order to see some great career growth is to express, connect with your people, open your heart to receive love. Then the career gets fixed. How? Because Venus energy is getting fixed, then money is coming. If money is coming, somewhere your career should get fixed. It's all interlinked that way. You should always keep this as priority, expression. And closed door. No good job opportunities. Current job is coming to an end. Start all over again. Exactly. So look for the new opportunity. This job does not serve you good at all. Like the other piles, this pile is not like you have to be in the job. Wow, that was so insightful. Let's see what's happening with our next pile. Whoever selected this beautiful God energy. Let's see. Why you're stuck in your career? What you have to do to move forward? Is there anything that you can do? Okay, there's a lot of endings that are coming your way. The cycle is over. It's time for you to make a change, rebirth. It's time to say goodbye. Plenty of you are in dilemma. Should I leave the job or not? The stuck situation in your career is not a layoff or you not able to start a career at all. It is somewhere where you're stuck. Like you are in a job, you're unable to decide if you want to leave it or be in it. Now, that decision making should end today. Like stop thinking, should I end it? Should I not end it? Should I end it? Not. Take life as it comes. Something like that I'm seeing. So even if you are getting laid off at the end, it is okay. Endings. Maybe you have resigned and you were looking for other job and all of that. So ending is happening. It is a time to embrace sweet success. It is not difficult to get everything you want and enjoy it. Get what you want. So the cards are telling that you will definitely get what you want. So enjoy the phase right now. That decision making every now and then, every single day, or taking a lot of time in making the decision, that needs to be avoided. The warning has come that there is a lot of success you will see in this current position itself. So hang in there. Don't end it yet. The ending should be your thinking here. Don't end it here. There is success in your career. There is fruit of labor. There are good endings, sweet endings. The endings will be you thinking about ending it. That is what I'm feeling about this pile number 2. That is what I'm feeling about this pile. Okay, so fruits of labor is here. It's time to reap the fruits of your labor and become rich. Rich gain is here. So wherever you are, right? If you are thinking, this is not giving me some soul satisfaction, I think I should take just a step back and think, is this boss the one for me? Are these people for me? This job, is it meant for me? Is this past life? So many doubts you have. Listen, this is the right, the cards are reassuring, telling the fruits of your labor is on its way. If you were waiting for a promotion, hike, everything is just flowing towards you. It's like your good karma has made you be in this job. This has given you so much stability. Eventually, it is going to give you a sweet success also. It is not difficult to get everything you want and enjoy it. Get what you want. You will definitely get what you want. Ask for it, manifest for it. It's happening. Success is also written here. Choosing the right direction and actively overcoming difficulties. See, how many jobs will you leave? The moment it becomes difficult, you want to just quit. The moment it becomes a little boring or here and there you are not able to overcome and losing patience, you want to quit. How many jobs like that will you keep changing? That is what it's saying. If you overcome the difficulties, only then you will see the success. Nobody is born with a silver plate where you just walk into the work and you're paid big lump sum amount and someone is asking you, don't work, just sit there with the money. No, it's not going to happen, right? So you will face some difficulties, teething problems while learning about work, but you are on the right track. That is the confirmation or reassurance the cards are giving, saying you are on the right track. Don't leave this job that you're planning to leave, resign, and then think of higher studies, education, etc. It is not going to fetch you much if you go for higher education. I'm seeing you want to pursue some course and go somewhere else else leaving this, it's asking you not to do it. Igniting new moon, this is a moment to spark new ideas and take bold action toward your desires. So if you want to grow, then you talk to your boss, talk to people you are working for. Initiation, passion, new beginning. So you can initiate something new internally and be in the same job. Grounded crescent moon. Focus on laying solid foundations, because that's what I said. If difficulties come, if you're just skipping the job, going to another job, leaving and taking another course, that difficulty will come back as another job only. Every job will have one or the other issues. So you need to feel grounded mentally, and crescent moon is giving energies of stability, foundations. First initial stages should bring in some momentum, and then you can build on it. If there is nothing to build on and the foundation itself is so rocky, then the whole building that you will build on that rocky foundation is going to be sturdy. Okay. New moon in Leo. Unleash your creativity and step into spotlight with confidence. Exactly. So self-expression, creativity, confidence, these are your next moves. That is what I can see. You are now like tired of this stuck energy. Should I leave? Should I go? Should I do this? Should I do that? Should I do business? I have money. Let me invest. Let me do crypto. Let me do here and there. So these are not financial advices that I'm giving. I'm just saying your energies do not align with any kind of short success. You have to work on the difficulties and overcome. Let's see. So we saw very different energies with the previous one, right? So here we'll see what are the energies. Okay. Some energies here. Okay. Guardian angel is always with you. That is amazing. Some higher power protects you from difficulties and misfortunes. Trust your guardian angel. This is like a brilliant reassurance about your career, that no matter what is happening right now and why you're feeling so stuck, always it is your karma and angels are there, right there, protecting you. Some higher force is always there. Star power, become an influencer of the company and earn fame, popularity. Exactly. So step into the spotlight. Why do you want to give up such golden opportunity? This job that you have, right? It's like a gold mine of things, they say, right? So it's like gold mine of things. This is going to give you a lot of luck, fame, name, what people crave when they enter career growth should be like this. So this is the graph I want to see. That kind of work you have. So become an influencer in the company itself and earn name, fame, popularity, everything. Step into the spotlight now. Till now you didn't come outside your comfort zone. Now you have to come out and make this something big, so big that take the ownership of this space or company. I feel like whoever you're working for, right? So it might be a huge multi-million dollar or Fortune 500 company, but you can take the ownership of this company and work as if this is your own company and see the results. For once, I'm telling the opposite of what I usually believe. Like I tell, okay, 9-to-5 jobs, you can do something your own, blah, blah. But today the energies are telling you're in the right place. Celebration, foresight, okay. Ooh, wow. Okay, let's see. Okay. Celebration is here, gift is there. What else is saying? Wrong decision is there. Let me explain everything now. Now, gift, you will discover new talents that will lead to new opportunities. Use opportunities that arise. So, till now, if you didn't have the skill, the course that you had to take, some extra knowledge that you could gain in order to materialize good things for the company, then you could do that. That is your next move, I can see. Like you're building in more courses for yourself, you're studying more, you're understanding more, you're finally planning to become the limelight or spotlight, which you totally deserve. Celebration, kick off the party activities and have a great time, plan for a joyful future. You can, celebration is there, always there is a time to celebrate. The moment you start experiencing the joy of working and making some time for yourself also, not involve too much, that will bring in a different energy in you. Trust me, do this and see. Always if you're working from morning till late night, somewhere in between have some fun and do something else. You will get some good things out of it. Foresight, pay attention to things that are important to ensure wealth. Be far-sighted and alert. Like I said, investments, etc. need to be a little careful and far-sighted. The last thing here I have received in the card reading is a wrong decision. So reckless behavior can lead to bad consequences. Think before you act. So if you decide to leave this company now, wherever you are, you're not going to get any opportunities based on your current energies. I'm not seeing any growth or any other new company that will approach you. So that might be a wrong decision because of some reckless behavior, some difficulty with the teammate or your boss, anything is happening. Have an open communication right after this reading. Takes few hours, process all of these things, and then talk to the person to overcome difficulty. Don't quit the places to overcome difficulties. It becomes destination addiction. Like we have seen people time and again where the moment the job gets difficult or there is some extra they have to put effort, they will quit and then join another. That also will do the same thing to them. Then they will be in one repeat pattern. It will take 5-10 years. Suddenly they'll realize they are in repeat pattern. So before it's too late, now don't quit yet. Hang in there, overcome the difficulties, and you will see the best life that you can afford to live. Thank you so much for being in the reading. It's just a general reading. And if you want a personal reading, you know what to do. Thank you. Hari Om.